So who's up for a nice trip to a formerly secret sewer? Roger that, and let's just hope the supreme stink isn't as supreme as the name would have it sound. According to Chaos, this is the place. Huh, for a sewer, it actually looks pretty nice. Oh, but that smell is awful. What do they have in there, raw sewage? Oh yeah, I guess that's exactly what they have, being a sewer and all. Okay, new plan. How about I just let you down right here? Good luck with the goo. Ugh. And try not to lose your lunch.
On the right trail. Oh yeah! Up high.
Hey, are you the Skylanders hot dog eating champion? Wait a minute, what am I saying? Of course you're not! Oh man, what was I thinking? The guy I'm looking for is Chomp Chest. He's won every hot dog eating contest that ever existed, and maybe even a few that haven't. So, if you happen to see him, have him come by. I just heard about another contest, and this one is tough.
Going up. And stop the chop. A wild success.
Why are you down here?
That's impossible.
Run away.
Another outsider?
We hadn't seen anyone since we locked ourselves away during the great germ outbreak centuries ago. But lately, all these mutant monsters showed up and naturally confirmed our suspicion that the outside world was destroyed. Wait a minute. You may be carrying germs! You're unclean! Ah!
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Call it wild.
Okay, I might have overreacted back there. You're different somehow. In fact, there's something vaguely heroic about you. And you haven't tried to steal our green goo like the other mutants. But you're probably still crawling with germs! Ah!
On the hunt. Knock on wood.
Infected! Infected! Infected!
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in...
Stay back, surface dweller!
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. Villains are stronger in this zone.
It's Crush Hour. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah! Yeah! Reform! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Yes! You got pulverized.
Yeah! I am all the rage.
Axe to the max!
Don't bring your evil surface germs down here.
Up high!
If I remember correctly, in addition to being great warriors, these Skylanders were great puzzle solvers too. But surely you're not a Skylander and won't be able to figure this one out.
Stay back, surface dweller.
Nature's bounty. Oh yeah!
Rage Mage.
Nature is calling.
Skylanders are the magic element, but stronger in this zone.
Cut it out.
Rage Mage defeated.
Put a magic trap in the portal to trap this villain.
Uh-oh! Better cast a spell! Abracadabra!
Rage Mage trapped.
My turn!
One strike and you're out! Victory has
Great balls of goo! You did it! I'm beginning to wonder if you might be of some relation to these legendary Skylanders. But I still can't take the chance of being exposed to germs. Gotta go!
Axe to the max! Good.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Did I ever tell you that I was the Skystone Smash champion? Or did you tell me that you were? I honestly can't remember, so let's just play and see if that jogs my memory. Well, I'm guessing that means you weren't the champ, huh?
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
believe that this creature who stands before us is possibly one of the great heroes of legend, a Skylander!
That's impossible. The Skylanders are a myth.
I forgot what I was going to say!
I too was doubtful, brothers, but I have witnessed their impressive skills firsthand. If they are truly a Skylander, they will survive this battle in our arena. If not, then they suffer the fate of an imposter.
Yay! But what about the germs?
Oh man, I still can't remember what I was going to say!
So let's find out once and for all. Get him, enemies! Expose this surface dweller! Could the legends be true? Could we be in the presence of a Skylander? See, brothers? This newcomer has the skills of a real Skylander! Let's see what they're made of! Hopefully not germs! The surface dweller shows promise, to be sure.
Knock on wood.
Look at the way they defeat the mutants!
Whoa!
Could the legends be true? Could we be in the presence of a Skylander? Not bad, surface dweller, not bad. But it'll take a lot more to prove you're actually a Skylander.
Let's make them fight some more!
That is precisely the plan. We call this adorable little fella the slime eel. Sure, he's cute and all, but not someone you really want to cross paths with. Literally.
Right on!
See, brothers? This newcomer has the skills of a real Skylander.
Knock on wood!
The surface dweller shows promise to...
Oh!
See the light.
Be sure. Look at the way they defeat the mutants! Could the legends be true? Could we be in the presence of a Skylander? You'd think a Skylander would know to take clear of radioactive slime trails. Amazing! Just an amazing display of heroic skills. You know, I'm starting to believe you might actually be a Skylander.
Can't we make them fight one more round?
Okay. Good luck, potential Skylander. Look at the way they defeat the mutants! Yep, that's what I meant about crossing paths earlier. Watch out, whoever you are. trail, but hasn't. The surface dweller shows promise, to be sure. Well, I've certainly seen enough. But, unfortunately, I've already told Fisticuffs here you were coming, and he wanted to have a go. Sorry!
Fisticuffs.
Round one!
Ready for battle!
I've seen more fun at a birthday party!
See, brothers? This newcomer has the skills of a real Skylander!
Fisticuffs defeated.
Well, you certainly proved yourself back there, and you got rid of all those mutant monsters. How can we repay you?
For starters, you can crack open a window. Seriously. And then how's about shutting down this goo factory? You know they're stealing this stuff for evil out there, right?
That's funny. It's the #1 selling air freshener down here.
Yeah, it's real fragrant. Look, are we good here?
Sure thing. And good luck stopping those evil goo stealers. Come back anytime.
Right. Smell you later.
Hey, a little to the left, trolley.
Yes, Mr. Wolfgang, sir.
No problem, my queen. The Skylanders have cut off our supply of slimy green goo.
You ask me, we're better off without all that stench.
Stinkosity, to be exact. And believe it or not, it's one of the most powerful forces in Skylands.
Blah, blah, it still smells horrible.
Anyway, without enough stinkosity to start the reaction, our ultimate weapon simply will not work.
Are you telling me you failed, Dr. Crankcase?
No. Wait, I have a solution. We can replace the stinky goo with this.
What? A slice of cheese? Yeah, that's not nearly stinky enough.
Ah, but it will be. In about 10,000 years. The older cheese gets, the worse it smells, you know.
Fat lot of good that does us now.
Don't you see? All we have to do is bury this now, then go into the future to get it. And by then, the stinkosity factor will be off the charts. But, naturally, to travel through time, we're gonna need a portal master.
What? Is that all? I hate to inform you, mate, but there's only one portal master in Skylands, Chaos, and we just gave him the boot!
What are you waiting for? Both of you! Retrieve Chaos at once. I want that cheese!
That'll teach those dumb raiders. If anyone's going to use foul goo to bring Skylands to its knees, it's Chaos. Say, what's this? Why, it's a postcard. And it's from my old Willikin factory.
Grand reopening of the Willikin Workshop, now under new management.
You own a Willikin factory? Well, happy reopening, I guess.
Save it, fool! It must be those stupid Doom Raiders. Ooh! This is the last straw!
Hey, Skylander, you're gonna want to go check that out.
And I'm going too. It's time those gloom lamers were taught a lesson. And when I teach a lesson, brother, it stays taught. Ha!